Tosuka motwe bono mate mokorwa sensema ya ikorongo gotoka sebunge ya NYARIBARI Masabe County ya Kisii nigaganderete kumusana na maega yoko base chinyumba isato abwasoma baka omugaka bw'enyumba yo anyarako bakagusira kurende enyumba enke nigo yatinde ko mugaka oyo eyuere mamincha neli chiko muri kwitobwa mangana maya Mildred Momanyi na atara wikase nkeyo abo bwato kumusana na wikabono abwasatoro sele robotiro kubwatyo
amate chinyomba isato gochakira enyomba enene goika ya gatatu nigo chigendrete kwenekia okungusana na gati yabo igoronga ningo obwenete gotindika omubere bwo mugakobo oyo osirete chitariki 15 omutienyoyo nonya nabo maiga yoko ngusana na okwo nigo enyomba nge yayo tindika omubero yo eyemagega yekina kiabwegetwe ase kigambero gotanga okwenekigwa ko mugako yo kubanchera kumutuguta korengana na mumuro mwabo nyagusira nigo bataisanegeti enchera omubero yo oenigwa
chebwe kabana na atiga ira seminto toko bweta kumanyanga nonyemba ko ngutoka nyora inchimbwa tanaje ko beke kwende abantu baminto bamanya amago sa akorekana osema akorekanire mwana uminta otindo ko botuko Kisii ya tosinyire atotagete serikali tubwatisi.
I agree with the verdict because Mr. Moracha in Nyamira, who was our lawyer, didn't appear in court. So it's like we were not given a hearing. It was only we put the case in, and then why should my father be buried like a small boy and he's an elderly man, a Gusii elder, a man who served NYARIBARI Masabe as an assistant chief for many years.
Ekerasta karuara ntu abeto como konya sto konyara no ene kero umugaka tata nyorete stroke ntu amugorete kerogo agochira gitari ko wheelchair nane ko twengi togo cha ntu batije twengo chana abana baito tuacha twamukwanya twasekanere twagamba ekera alinge buya na tworo gitikero muntu asaka bare chinka yabo
korengana ne nyombe nene nigo batebire buna tibago cyo gotinde kaise ase kyo batebire buna nigo amagimabo agosereirie
atobwa bantu kunyara goiko because ntu what security etogo chigoitwa to igwete ngomogake bari metembera botuko naende mbono bago chikomoene.
For now, when they have picked my father from mortuary, we have been threatened to the compound. There are people who have gone there with pangas and rungus, so we cannot go there as the first family. We really don't know why, when the second family also has been put aside. And according to our tradition, a third family cannot bury by herself. We have to bury our father wholesomely.
Waigoni ge nyombe ngenero ya sokia na gukwanira engane yo ase batebire nyombe nene tiba konyete ekero mugaka rengo muroire ase korende batebire nabo bagotindeka omugaka ase barusia omubere asokenderete ase nyagitari ya ichuni mission.
Them say it's over 90 years, so and they has been battling with a stroke for 2 years, and in that 2 years those guys have not come even to see him, to give him financial support, even the hospitals. So the police stopped it again until today. So the postmortem has been done. So we are waiting for the mortuary attendant to prepare the body. So the body will be taken. It will be given 30 minutes or 1 hour mass, and then the message will be laid to rest. So it will be buried in NYARIBARI Masabe location.
Abira bana babe nyombe nene as spiritual leaders yento yoko mwibuli ara ewe asobogima no gochika kuri gwakane osikisa na nyoko nalia matuko araba mange kuna gochika kuri nei neira
ginko reporter ya egataseni Ndizi TV letaliane Mildred Momanyi.